Hello, citizens. Oh my god. Basically, my cousin has lost 2 subscribers. Sad. Like, seriously, he did a vid about it. Hold on. So that's. I knew that was playing. Look at this video. Sorry. The favorite bit is this bit. What the hell just happened? Okay, so yeah, invitation. You have been invited to what? What? I always like parties, but really, I'm a savage. Okay. Oh my god, downstairs is so noisy. They're like, oh my god. Yeah, I just saw the video. You have more than you. With the mayonnaise. This kid. Anyway, yeah, what was I gonna say now? Yeah, I decided to do a video, just random. As soon as I saw it in the top corner, I decided to watch it, and then I saw that explosion. Oh well, I spent 188. So, put a shirt on. What you did? Oh my god. Anyway, yeah, I just decided to record and tell people to sub back. Please sub back, please. Ah! Please sub back, Punto, please. And I'll sub to you. Oh yeah, by the way, 1 minute. Good sake, people. No, don't watch this guy. No, don't. Just don't. I don't even know who he is, and I don't want to check. Sub to me, Wolfleg10_King. That's me and Alfred. Sub to J. Hold on. Sub to Jaden Young. Jaden Young. He's asleep. Sub to Jermane. Jermane_200 736p. Got to go on holiday. 200 subs, sad. Genius. I don't know why I sub to him, but I want to sub to him for no reason. He's special, okay? And then Ziggy Z Crazy. Yeah, I don't like Fortnite. But is there any more? No, that's it. So sub to all of us. That would be the best thing ever. If you would like, if you could, please, that would be the best thing ever. Please like and subscribe and give me loads of views. Oh no. Oof. You saw nothing. Bye bye.